guys, welcome back. I have listed the ingredients on the screen if you need them. I also went ahead and preheated my oven to 350. Now we're going to be using some olive oil to grease the pan. I like to use a paper towel to make sure I rub the corners and the sides very well so I don't miss any spots. We're going to be lightly flouring the pan. I like to use a tapping method to make sure I cover all the corners and sides because I don't want to miss any spots. This ensures that our cake will not stick to the pan. I have a medium-sized bowl here and I'm going to be adding 3 eggs in. 1 cup of water, a half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and we're going to want to whisk it really well. I am adding in my yellow cake and I'm adding in vanilla pudding, guys. I'm telling you, it will make it so moist. If you haven't tried this, you need to. Now I'm just going to be whisking this really well until we get all the clumps out. You want to make sure it's as smooth as possible. Now using the cake pan that we already prepped, I'm going to be taking my batter mix and pouring that into the pan. I want to know what's your favorite cake. Let me know in the comments down below. This cake is super easy to make, guys. I love making things from scratch, but this box mix saves me so much time when I'm on a time crunch, guys. And I thought I'd share this little hack with you. Now that we got our batter in the pan, we're just gonna try to coat the corners, get some cake in there, and tap it on the counter to get out any air bubbles. After that, you're gonna be placing your cake in the oven for about 35 minutes. And voila, we have cake. This baby's looking nice and golden, and we're gonna let her rest for 5 minutes. In a separate bowl, we're gonna be adding 1 whole can of sweetened condensed milk. It's 14 ounces, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and 1 cup of milk. I'm actually using whatever I had on hand. Normally we use whole milk, but still. We're whisking that nice and well. Now we're going to be taking a fork and poking holes throughout the whole cake. Each roll is going to be about a ½ inch apart. And you're just going to continue that process until you have holes throughout the whole cake. I weirdly had a lot of fun doing this part, and I thought you guys should know that. After this step, we're going to be taking our milk mixture that we placed to the side and pouring it all over. We want to make sure we're doing it evenly so we don't have an uneven, soggy cake. So I had lost some footage, guys, and I ended up wrapping this with aluminum foil and placing it in the fridge for about an hour. Now it's an hour later and our cake is looking beautiful, so moist and golden. Now we're just going to be taking that whipped fluffy white frosting and spreading that all over. You can use whatever you want. You can eat it without. You can use whipped cream. Everybody does it differently. I like to use the fluffy white because it's not as sweet, but it still gives a little bit of sweetness. And we're going to be using that entire container, guys. Now, today I am adding cinnamon on top of this one. I do like to add strawberries on top sometimes. You know, it's whatever you choose to put on top. You don't really have to put anything on top, but I will tell you, the cinnamon is a nice bonus. After this, I wrapped it up and placed it in the fridge for 1 hour. An hour later, it is time to cut into that baby. and see how it came out. I would love to know if you guys give this recipe a try. I actually made this cake a couple weeks ago and I keep forgetting to post this video, but you know, whatever, here it is now. So I think it came out so good, guys. Like, not to toot my own horn, but toot toot. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button so you don't miss out any future videos. And until next time, bye!